Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. We were discussing about the chapter 3, that is fiber to fabric. Today in this session, we are going to discuss yarn to fabric. What is yarn? Yarn is nothing but thread, and fabric, it is cloth. How this thread is made into the cloths, that is what we are going to discuss today. Have you ever wondered how the cloths are made, and what is the process involved, and what are the materials required and machines used? So that is what we are going to discuss today. So here we are using the two main process, that is weaving and knitting process. First of all, we are going to discuss about weaving process. In weaving, we are using two yarns, that is nothing but two threads. And the machine, it is loom. Okay, the machine used for weaving, it is loom. And we are using the process called interlace process. To make a fabric, we are using the interlace process. And this looms gives a support to weave. That is, while weaving, this machine gives a support to the yarn. And here we are using the hand looms and the power looms. Hand looms, it is the hand operated. So here it is done manually, and power looms, that is using the machines. It is run through the machines. And the two thread, that is wrap thread and the weft thread. So here we told that two yarns are used. One yarn, it is wrap thread, and another yarn, it is weft thread. The wrap thread that runs across the loom, okay, that weft thread that runs top to bottom. So this makes a fabric, and this weft thread makes it possible to create the various pattern and the design. Okay. Now we are going to perform an activity, and we are going to see how the weaving process is done. For this we need two yarns, that is wrap thread and the weft thread. Okay. So first we are going to prepare the wrap thread. Take a color paper and make a fold like this. Okay. Make a fold like this. Leave some space in the bottom and cut it from top to bottom. Okay. Not fully, leave some space. So this is the wrap thread, and next we are going to prepare the weft thread. For this, take the another color paper and cut it from top to bottom. Okay, from top to bottom you have to cut it, and this is the weft thread, okay, which is runs along top to bottom. Okay, next we are going to see the interlace process. Okay, how this interlace process is done. Okay, so this is the fabric that I have made, and we are going to interlace now. Okay, so if you see, this is the wrap thread and this is the weft. Okay, now I will show you how to interlace the thread. Okay, so here if you see, this weft thread is under the wrap. Now we are going to make this weft over the wrap. So likewise you have to start to interlace the yarn. Okay, under and over, and next it is under. If you do this continuously over, under and over, finally a fabric is get ready by the weaving process. Okay, so this is done by the weaving, and this is the same process used in the weaving also. That is, this is the interlace of yarns, that is two different yarns. This is the weaving process. Okay, next process is knitting process. In knitting process, it is the oldest process which is followed in the Middle East in the 5th century, and here only one yarn is used. In weaving process we need the two set of yarn, but here it is only one yarn is used, and knitted needles is also used. Next, nowadays we are using machines which can able to produce in the large amount. Okay, and next, what is the process followed here? See, if the yarn and this yarn makes a loop, and this loop is get interlocked to form a fabric. Okay, so this is the process in the knitting. Here we are having the two types of knitting, that is wrap knitting and the weft knitting. Weft knitting is done with the circular knitting machines. Okay, see the pattern how it is made. So this is the yarn which is making a loops. Here you can able to see the bend structure, no, that is the loop, and which is get interlocked to the next loop. Okay, so this finally made a fabric. This is about the wrap knitting. In weft knitting, the machine is flat bed machine is used. This is done in the vertical section. Okay, this is done in the vertical section, and the knitted fabrics is socks and the sweater. Okay, for example, I have given it is socks and sweater, the knitted fabrics. So this is how the thread is made into the cloth by using the weaving and knitting process. I hope that you are clear with these two topics. Remaining class we will see in the next session. Thank you.